Hi everybody, this is CR number 11, helper video number 2. It says look at the equations. Which of the equations has no solution? We'll try to remember when we have no solution, that means both sides of the equal sign do not equal each other. So let's look at this first one because I just have to go through each one to find the one with no solution. I'm going to go ahead and circle this number on the outside, realizing I have to multiply it by each term on the inside. I get 4x equals 3 times 2 is 6, plus 3 times x is 3x. I'm going to subtract 3x from both sides to get all my like terms, or all my variables I should say, on the left side. I'm left with x equals 6. Well, guess what? That has one solution, so that is not your answer. Let's look at number 2. I'm going to do that in a different color. So I have 4 minus x. I'm just going to copy that part. I have 2 times 2, and then 2 times a negative x if I'm going to distribute that 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times negative x is negative 2x. I'm going to go ahead and add 2x to both sides to get all my variables on the left. Sorry about my voice, I'm losing it. And I get 4 plus x. Oh, that's an ugly looking plus, sorry, equals 4. Subtract 4 on both sides. I get the 0 out. I'm left with x equals 0. Well, that's one solution, the solution of 0, so it can't be number 2. I'm looking for one that has no solution. Next one, let's try number 3. I have 10 equals, I'm going to go ahead and distribute this up here so I have more room to show you the work on this problem. 5 times x is 5x. 5 times negative 7 is negative 35. Since I have all my variables on one side already, I'm just going to move the constants to the other side to make this quicker. By adding 35 to both sides, I get 45 equals 5x. I'm going to divide both sides by 5. And it looks like these cancel out. I'm left with x equals 9. Alright, well there's one solution here too. So 3 can't be my answer. But I just want to prove to you why letter 4 or number 4 is actually the one with no solution. So I have 16 minus 3x. I have this lovely 3 on the outside. I'm going to multiply it by each term on the inside. So 3 times 2 equals 6. And 3 times negative x is a negative 3x. I'm going to get all of my variables on one side by doing the opposite, which is adding 3x, because I like my variables on the left side. Notice these zero out, but notice this on the left side. They also zero out. So I'm left with 16 equals 6. Well, guess what? 16 does not equal 6. Because these sides are not equal to each other, number 4 is the one with no solution.